genetics and heredity. Today we'll be answering, of course, WAEC past questions on the topic aforementioned, spanning over a decade, that's from 2000 to 2010. You've got this. 2000, objective question 20. What is the term for the physical appearance of a trait? Option A, genotype. Option B, phenotype. Option C, traits. Option D, gene. Phenotype is the correct answer. Option B. 2001, objective question 15. Who proposed the theory of continuous variation? Option A, Mendel. Option B, Darwin. Option C, Galton. Option D, Fisher. Galton proposed this theory. Option C. 2002, objective question 25. What is the genetic term for the interaction between genes? Option A, epistasis. Option B, polygenic inheritance. Option C, pleiotropy. Option D, dominance. Epistasis is the answer, and that's because epistasis refers to the interaction between genes to produce a specific trait. In other words, epistasis is a gene to gene interaction. It's a process where multiple genes work together. One gene affects another gene's expression. The combined effect creates a unique trait. And you see, epistasis is different from polygenic inheritance. That is the where multiple genes add up. It's also different from dominance, where one allele masks another. Epistasis specifically focuses on, gene interactions, as I already stated. Think of it like epistasis is teamwork between genes. Got it? 2003, question 10. What is the process by which genetic information is passed from one generation to the next? Option A, heredity. Option B, inheritance. Option C, traits. Option D, gene. Heredity is the correct answer. Option A. 2004, objective question 20. What is the term for a gene that has multiple effects on an organism? Option A, pleiotropic. Option B, polygenic. Option C, epistatic. Option D, dominant. Pleiotropic, option A, is the correct answer. 2006, objective question 15. What's the genetic term for the study of twin inheritance? Option A, twin genetics. Option B, heredity. Option C, inheritance. Option D, epigenetics. Option A is the correct answer, twin genetics. 2007, objective question 10. What is the process by which genetic variation occurs? Option A, mutation. Option B, genetic drift. Option C, gene flow. And option D, natural selection. Mutation, thank you. That is the correct answer, mutation. It's a process by which genetic variation occurs. 2008, objective question 25. What is the term for a gene that is located on the Y chromosome? Option A, autosomal. Option B, sex-linked. Option C, holandric. Option D, Y-linked. Option B is the correct answer, sex-linked. 2009, objective question 20. What is the genetic term for the frequency of homozygous individuals? Option A, gene frequency. Option B, allele frequency. Option C, genotype frequency. Option D, phenotype frequency. Genotype frequency, option C, is the correct answer. It is the genetic term for the frequency of homozygous individuals. 2010, objective question 15. What is the process by which genetic information is used to create proteins? Option A, transcription. Option B, translation. Option C, replication. Option D, mutation. Of course, translation is the correct answer because it's the process by which genetic information is used to create proteins. More questions. 2005, objective question 10. What is the term for the study of chromosome structure and function? Option A, cytogenetics. Option B, molecular biology. Option C, genetic engineering. Option D, biotechnology. Cytogenetics, option A, is the correct answer. 2008, objective question 12. What is the genetic term for an individual with two different alleles of a gene? Option A, heterozygous. Option B, homozygous. Option C, dominant. Option D, recessive. Heterozygous is that genetic term. Option A is the correct answer. 2002, objective question 20. What is the term for a gene that is expressed when an individual has two copies? Option A, recessive. Option B, dominant. Option C, heterozygous. Option D, homozygous. Recessive, option A, is the correct answer. 2009, objective question 10. What is the process by which genes interact to produce a trait? Option A, epistasis. Option B, polygenic inheritance. Option C, pleiotropy. Option D, dominance. Epistasis is the correct answer. 2006, objective question 25. What is the genetic term for the study of genetic variation? Option A, population genetics. Option B, quantitative genetics. Option C, molecular genetics. Option D, evolution genetics. Population genetics, option A, is the genetic term for the study of genetic variation. Soft reminder, you're capable of amazing things. See you in my next class.